Namaste, friends. Are you struggling with weight loss today? I'm going to share my personal journey of losing 20 pounds in just a month with intermittent fasting. Yes, you heard it right, 20 pounds in a month. Stay tuned till the end because I'll be revealing my secret tips and tricks that made this possible. And trust me, if I can do it, so can you. Before we dive in, let's understand what intermittent fasting is. It's not a diet, but a pattern of eating and not eating. It's all about when you eat, not what you eat. Now, let's get into my journey. A month ago, I was overweight and unhappy. I decided to take control and stumbled upon intermittent fasting. I was skeptical, but I thought, why not give it a try? I followed the 16-8 method, where I fasted for 16 hours and ate only in an 8-hour window. It was tough initially, but my body adapted to it. During my eating window, I focused on balanced meals. I included lots of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And yes, I didn't give up my favorite Indian dishes, I just made them healthier. The journey wasn't easy. There were days when I wanted to give up. But I stayed motivated, kept my goal in mind, and pushed through. I also stayed hydrated and made sure I was getting enough sleep. And guess what? In just a month, I lost 20 pounds. Not only that, but I also felt more energetic, my skin improved, and I slept better. It was truly a life-changing experience. So, that's my journey of losing 20 pounds with intermittent fasting. If you're looking for a sustainable way to lose weight, give it a try. Remember, it's not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.